Hello, my name is Maxime. I am going to give you information about my country in Hong Kong, a big country in Asia. The language in Hong Kong we are speaking is Chinese and English. This was a harbor of Hong Kong. This is the typical food in China they eat. The name is chaozi. That is the festival in Hong Kong. We show the dragon because it's important. This is the flag of my school. This is the class of my school. This is the canteen who everybody eats. The plate already cooked and we don't need to bring our lunchbox. This is the money in Hong Kong, dollars and yuan. This is the entrance of my school.